Yeah, as I was saying, I'm just doing a live video coverage here on some beehives. You can see the bees in the hive. This particular hive, this is a bee colony, and I want to let you know that if this very hive is opened, you will get not you will get over 100,000 bees. You get over 100,000 bees, and that's why we are taking it upon ourselves to produce honey for the people, for the masses. Some people have gone into some health challenges as a result of what they consume as honey. Instead of doing the work, it then turns around to harm their health. But I'm into honey production, propolis production. All these things are gotten from this very hive, and they are of high medicinal value. They are high medicinal value. Propolis, bee venom, honey, pollen, they are all gotten from the hive, the beehive. You can see the bees going out and coming in. We produce honey for domestic use as well as for hospital use. Hospital use, we also produce honey. Our honey is also used in food industries. Yeah, where they are used for confectionaries. They are used for confectionaries. We produce honey for those purposes. So there are still other bee colonies in this very place. In this very particular place, I have over 25 colonies. 25 colonies. You can see also this site. These are bees as well. You can see this is a very strong colony. I want to let you know that this very colony was, October 17, 2020 was harvested, and this very month, also November, around the same period, was also harvested. In fact, what came out of this very colony was awesome. It was awesome. It was awesome. And because this is period of honey harvest, it won't be a surprise that if I come back next month within this very time, that I will also get reasonable quantity of honey until the harvesting period is over, which will be at the beginning of rainy season. That is next year, around April, that kind of May, harvesting will cease. So at the moment, we have reasonable quantity of honey for your own use, and family as well, for you and your family use. You have enough honey, so you need to order for your own now that the honey is still available. Once it finishes, you now exercise patience till the next harvesting season. You can also avail yourself the opportunity of coming around. You come around and either on excursion to acquire some knowledge in beekeeping. Yes, those knowledge, they do help. You can also see another colony or another hive. You can see the bees going out and coming in. You can see them. You see them moving. They are going out. They are coming in. They are foraging, because at this very period there is abundant nectar, abundant food, and at this very period the nectar contains high level of sugar, unlike during the peak of rainfall, when rain has diluted the nectar. That what they get in the field is more or less water, but now the sugar concentration of nectar is high, and that is why you see bees do better now and also respond in producing large crop of honey for the farmer, for the beekeeper. There is also another hive in this very place. Here you can see this other hive. You can hear the bees. You can see them coming out. You can see the bees coming out, flying, coming out, going in. You can see them. There are about over 25 hives in different locations just to see that honey is produced. And we will keep on increasing the number of hives. We continue to increase the number of hives, and the target is to see that all these people who sell poison by the road side to people are pushed. Their businesses are thriving because there is high demand for honey, and those who are into beekeeping are few. And other challenges that are encountered in beekeeping makes their business to thrive, because those who go into all those things, they make quicker turnover than those who are sincere, than those who have decided to see that their integrity is not at stake. So you can see the bees. You can see them coming in. You can see them going out. Yeah. By next month, being December, all these hives you have seen here, you collect honey from them. They keep on yielding honey within this very period until the raining season begins, and that will be around April, May, and the period for honey harvesting will stop. So you can still come around, either on excursion. You just pay a little token, and that will be okay. And you don't just only view, you have a practical touch, yes, of what you have viewed. Have a practical touch of what you have viewed. You can see the bees. That is good. Book for your honey. Honey is available now. You can put a call across to me on 070 3221 3426. I repeat, 070 3221 3426. Or you visit me at the Department of Forestry and Environmental Management, Michael Okpara, University of Agriculture, Umudike. Anytime, any day. Thank you.